tomorrow you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving these
What's up? So I was just sitting here doing some work and almost done with that, but I have a ton of laundry on the bed. Y'all are gonna see that in just a second. It's absolutely crazy around here. I need to organize and I need to declutter. Things have just gone awry. I have way too many clothes. I need to clean my closet again, and I just did that. I literally just cleaned my closet, so that's unfortunate, but it just keeps happening. So I'm not getting rid of enough, apparently. And I only have, like, y'all see me in my clothes, I have my favorites, and I have a ton of clothes that I just don't wear, and I keep putting them away thinking I'm going to wear them. I don't want to wear the same thing over and over again, but then I have my comfort, and my comfort is just above all else. So if there's something uncomfortable, I just need to get rid of it. Because I'm not going to wear it, because I take comfort over style, or that's just me. But yeah, I need to put the laundry away. I need to declutter and organize the closet. I need to also go in the laundry room. I need to clean the washing machine. We haven't cleaned that in a while. I need to declutter in there as well. It's just stuff piled up everywhere. It's just absolutely crazy. And we're leaving out of town, so I want to be organized. I want to know what I have, what I don't have, all that stuff. So anyway, that's on the agenda for today. So anyway, yeah, we got to get all that done. And I wanted to show y'all, I'm still taking my Magic Mind. So this stuff, it has matcha, which boosts your energy. It has adaptogens, that helps you relax. Nootropics keeps you focused, and agave for happy vibes. I take one of these every day in the morning. Usually I'll have a sip or two of coffee and then I'll take it, but honestly guys, I have started drinking tea in the mornings. I know I've drank coffee for years, like years and years. I was a little girl when I started drinking coffee, but it has been making me sick. I get really nauseous when I drink it. I don't know if that's the coffee or if I just have some kind of illness that everybody has right now. Everybody's getting sick, but I'm just not feeling the coffee anymore, and I really don't need it when I take these. I don't know, it's really good. It tastes good. Honestly, I look forward to taking it. I keep them in the fridge so they're nice and cold, but it's just a shot. But it's honestly made me want to start exploring other, like, green drinks, because I didn't think they could be this good, but this is really good. I could drink this as like a smoothie or something, or just a regular drink, but they make it in shots like this. I'll tell y'all some more about it, but I'll have it linked down below if you want to go check it out. They do have a subscription service, or you can get them monthly, a box sent to you. I just went through the box of 15 of them. But I would definitely, like, I'm not a doctor, but I would recommend trying this, especially if you do, like, during the day you get sleepy, or, like, I've been getting up really early, and I used to, like, crash when I would get up early because I was drinking caffeine all day, and it just wasn't good for me. Now I don't have any crashes throughout the day. I'm never really tired, except for, of course, that time of month, but other than that, like, I am super focused whenever I need to get something done. So I do see a difference. So yeah, I will have this link down below for you, and you can get a discount on these. But yeah, I love these. I really, really love these. And I've tried different nootropics. As y'all know, I think there is lion's mane mushroom in here, which I really like as a nootropic. So yeah, definitely go check it out. I'll have it linked down below, like I said, and y'all can get a discount on that. I will be stocking up on these next year, especially now that I'm not drinking coffee that much. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with that. Coffee turned on me, but it's a good thing, I guess, and I do enjoy it. I drink lemon ginger tea most of the time. I kind of want to start exploring more teas now because I'm trying to, like, if coffee doesn't want me anymore, then that's fine. I can move on. It's better for me. So anyway, yeah. But anyway, I'm going to take my shot right now before we start doing all this because it's a lot. Oh, it's so good. I really like it. Y'all might think I'm crazy, but I really like it. So yeah, let's do it.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated.
So we had just been catching up on laundry. As y'all know, my husband does all the laundry. He washes it, he puts it in the dryer, and then I usually put it away. The kids put theirs away. But I was just piling it on the bed because I knew I was going to be cleaning out my closet, so I didn't want to put any of my stuff away. So I ended up just clearing the bed off, putting the kids' clothes in this basket, and then I'm just laying my clothes on the the TV stand. So that way when I go to clean my closet, I'm not just fighting with stuff that wasn't there in the first place. So then I'll go in and put everything away, but I wanted to get all these clothes put up before I started pulling more stuff out of the closet.
Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything.
So now we are in the closet, and I just wanted to explain a few things in here. I had just cleaned and organized and decluttered a lot of my stuff, which is why in the beginning I said I didn't get rid of one piece of clothing. I did, I guess, I got rid of about 2 different pieces of clothing, but it didn't make much of a difference. But I had done this before. What I did do, though, is get rid of any old boxes. That's why I ended up wrapping some presents, stuff like that. In Texas, it is very hard when winter comes around if you don't have like a different closet for your winter clothes. So, because in Texas, you can't put away your summer clothes because summer's never really over. It usually doesn't start staying cold until January or February, and then real soon after that, March is there, but it can be December and we can be wearing shorts and a t-shirt. So we never really put our summer clothes away in Texas. So we're just piling up winter clothes on top of our summer clothes. So that's why it does get a lot more cluttered during the winter time. And then we have these big, huge Carhartt jackets here on the ranch. So I don't have any place to put those right now. We are going to be working on some different things this year to get that in a better area. So that way we can just hang up the coats. Because that does take up quite a bit of room in the closets, having these huge jackets and everything. And I like to have throws and cardigans. My cardigans stay out all year, though, because I always wear cardigans. I always get cold in AC. So, yeah, that's why there was so much stuff in the closet. But I'm just going to go ahead and organize everything, refold everything, get everything hung back up where it's supposed to be, and then I'll show y'all how everything turns out in there.
You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast.
So I needed to get some of the gifts wrapped. They were in the closet, just taking up space. So I decided I should just go ahead and wrap them. I kept putting that off and putting it off. So I'm just going to wrap them and put them in the sled in the living room, and I'll show y'all how that turned out.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
I still have a lot more to wrap. I just haven't got to it yet, but this is how they look in the little sled. I have another little sled that I think I'm going to bring in too, but I have this one for now. So now we are going to clean out my desk. As you can see, it's a mess in here. I could barely shut the drawer. I definitely can't find anything I need in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all decluttered and cleaned out now.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you go.
I had washed the sheets on the bed. I had washed actually everything on the bed. I've been doing that constantly since we got a dog, Sadie Bug. But yeah, I have to wash every day. Every other day I wash our sheets on our bed. Labor of love. And so now I'm just going to make the bed, and I'm going to vacuum the floors, and I'm going to show you the before and after of the closet, how much trash we got rid of in this room, and then we're going to hop over and work on the laundry room.
About your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long.
So although I didn't get rid of a lot of clothing, I definitely got rid of a lot of trash and clutter in there. So that was great. Now I am in the laundry room. This was piled so high with stuff, and I miraculously lost the footage of that. I don't know what happened to it. It's just gone. So I'm going to show y'all just me wiping off everything. I'm going to go ahead and clean the washing machine. We had some friends over one day, and they were saying that they've never done this. So if you have a front loader, you definitely want to clean this out. It's going to smell really bad, and it's not the funnest job when it comes to housekeeping, but it definitely has to be done or your clothes are going to start to smell bad whenever you're washing them. They're not going to be as fresh as they could be. You really want to let that little hose drain before you take off the big filter, so that way you don't lose all that water like that. But yeah, it was pretty disgusting. As y'all know, we live on the ranch. We have well water, so it's really hard water, and it has a lot of minerals and stuff in it. So I clean mine about every 2 months. I'll remind myself to clean it because I can tell right away when the clothes are not as fresh. And after I do this, the clothes are so fresh and it's so nice. You also have to clean this portion of this part of the washer. It holds smells. It's gross. It's disgusting. It catches everything. My mother-in-law was asking about the front loader because she's never had one, and I told her I would never have another front-loading washing machine again because it's too much maintenance.
Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
So I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope it got y'all motivated and all that. I hope everyone's doing well. I love you all. Take care of each other. Don't forget to go check out Magic Mind. I'll have it linked down below. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.